Weight loss is a journey most of us embark on at some point, and it's no surprise that many struggle with it. According to the National Institute of Health, 75% of Americans are overweight, and 33% are classified as obese. But what if I told you that one of the simplest ways to support your weight loss efforts happens while you're sleeping? And it's not just about getting more sleep. It's about what you consume before bed that can make all the difference. This video will break down 5 bedtime drinks that can improve your sleep, boost your metabolism, and help you lose weight, all while you rest. By making small, manageable changes to your routine, you could be on your way to waking up healthier and more energized every morning. Let's first talk about the vital role sleep plays in weight management. Research from the University of Chicago shows that sleep deprivation not only impairs your metabolism, but also affects hormones like ghrelin and leptin, those tricky little hormones responsible for making you feel hungry or full. You've likely noticed that after a bad night's sleep, you crave sugary or high-carb snacks the next day. That's because your body is desperately seeking quick energy. Unfortunately, that quick fix often turns into extra fat storage. Here's the takeaway. If you're serious about weight loss, getting quality sleep is non-negotiable. Now let's dive into how these 5 drinks can help you create a healthy bedtime routine that supports both restful sleep and weight loss. Kefir is a fermented drink that works wonders for gut health, which is directly linked to weight loss. Why is this important? Well, an unhealthy gut can slow down digestion and make it harder to absorb essential nutrients. If you've ever felt sluggish or bloated after eating a heavy meal, it might be due to an imbalance in your gut bacteria. Research in the British Journal of Sports Medicine shows that kefir not only helps with digestion, but also improves sleep quality. And we know that better sleep means better energy levels the next day, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Bonus tip: kefir is a fantastic base for smoothies. Add some low-sugar fruits like blueberries or raspberries, which are high in antioxidants, and you'll have a delicious, healthy snack that supports both your digestion and weight loss efforts. Real-life advice. Many people have seen success just by swapping their usual late-night snacks with a small glass of kefir. It curbs cravings, supports digestion, and prepares your body for a restful night. Think of it as a multitasking drink that works even when you're asleep. The apple psyllium drink is a bit more unusual but incredibly effective. Apples are rich in fiber, which helps slow down fat absorption and keeps you feeling full. Psyllium husk, a natural fiber, absorbs water in your stomach, forming a gel that helps clean out your digestive system. It's like hitting the reset button every night. But here's where it gets practical. If you often feel bloated or struggle with regularity, this drink can be a game changer. By keeping your digestive system moving smoothly, you're reducing bloating and supporting long-term weight loss. Extra tip: psyllium husk is readily available at most health stores and can also be added to smoothies or even your morning oatmeal for an added fiber boost throughout the day. Real-life example. A friend of mine added this drink to her routine after struggling with bloating. Within 2 weeks, she felt lighter, more energetic, and noticed a significant decrease in bloating. It was a small change that made a huge difference, allowing her to stay on track with her weight loss goals. Grape juice might not immediately come to mind as a weight loss aid, but don't underestimate it. The key player here is resveratrol, an antioxidant found in grapes, which can help convert white fat into brown fat. Brown fat is more metabolically active, meaning it burns more calories, even while you sleep. Studies published in the International Journal of Obesity have shown that resveratrol helps regulate your body's internal clock and supports better sleep, which in turn helps with fat metabolism. So this simple drink could help your body burn calories more effectively overnight. If you're concerned about sugar content, opt for a small glass of 100% pure grape juice with no added sugars. The natural sugars won't spike your insulin levels as long as you keep your portion in check. This can be a great alternative to more calorie-dense desserts you might crave before bed. We all know milk is good for our bones, but it's also great for promoting muscle growth while you sleep. Milk contains casein protein, which digests slowly and feeds your muscles throughout the night. This means when you wake up, your body is already working to burn fat and build lean muscle. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even at rest. If you're lactose intolerant or avoid dairy, soy milk offers similar benefits. It's packed with tryptophan, an amino acid that helps reduce cortisol, the stress hormone that leads to belly fat. So whether you prefer cow's milk or a plant-based option, it's a win for weight loss. Bonus tip: add a pinch of cinnamon to your warm milk for extra flavor and a metabolism boost. Cinnamon has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, which can keep those nighttime cravings at bay. Real-life example. One viewer shared that after adding milk to their nightly routine, they found they had more energy for morning workouts and less belly fat within a few weeks. It's all about small, consistent changes that add up over time. Finally, let's talk about the Cherry Aloe Vera drink. Tart cherry juice is a natural source of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. If you've ever struggled to fall asleep or stay asleep, this drink can help reset your body's internal clock. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that tart cherry juice can significantly reduce insomnia and improve overall sleep quality. Aloe vera adds another layer of health benefits. It's packed with vitamins and enzymes that aid digestion and support weight loss. Combining these two powerhouse ingredients helps your body rest and repair itself overnight, setting you up for a productive and energetic day. Practical advice: drink this an hour before bed and pair it with some light stretching or meditation. Creating a calming bedtime routine can further enhance the benefits of these drinks, helping you relax, sleep better, and lose weight more effectively. It's important to remember that these drinks aren't miracle workers. They are tools. Sustainable weight loss comes from a balanced approach that includes healthy eating, regular physical activity, and quality sleep. These drinks are just one part of the equation. Real-life advice: try incorporating just one of these drinks into your routine for a week and see how your body responds. Keep track of your sleep, energy levels, and any changes in how you feel. And remember, don't be afraid to seek guidance from professionals like dietitians or trainers if you need more personalized advice. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, strategies, and insights into living a healthier life. I upload new videos regularly, so hit the notification bell to stay updated. And as always, feel free to leave your questions or success stories in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.